Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So number one, we will want to power off our device. Simply hold the power key. Oh, let's hold it again a little bit longer. There we go. Select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. And you can hold both of those keys till you see the HUAWEI logo. There we go. At which point you want to let go of them and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. So from here, click on Clear Data and then select Wipe Cache Partition. This only takes, as you can see, a second or so, at which point it's finished, so you can go back and select Restart, which will take you back to Android. At least I think it's Android or Harmony OS, one of the two. And as you can see, there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.